Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 3 says 8x cubed plus 125. So here I have a sum of cubes. I know 8 and 125 are both cube numbers. So that's going to break into a binomial and a trinomial. So for the binomial, I'm going to take the cube root of 8x cubed. Well, the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of x cubed is x. I'm going to keep the same sign, and the cube root of 125 is 5. And now for my memory trick to help me with my trinomial. It's the word STOMPS, S-T-O-M-P-S. Remember, the S stands for square, so 2x times 2x is 4x squared. TO stands for the opposite, so I'm going to take the opposite of plus, which is minus. M stands for multiply, so 2x times 5 is 10x. P stands for positive, that symbol's always a plus sign. And again, the S stands for square. The square 5 times 5 is 25. And so my answer would be 2x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 25.